The formula for making Suicide Boys beats first starts off with your melody. With the melody, you just want something very dark sounding, eerie sounding, like some Halloween type shit, like Nightmare Before Christmas. I don't know how to describe it, but just check this bell out. The only thing that changes are the bass notes, and that's all you need to make it sound very different. Bonita, I'm no Sabo kid, I apologize. What differentiates this beat compared to a bunch of other tutorials I've shown is the super unique but simple top line. I just browse into the depths of Omnisphere. You feel very orgasmic.
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
This is the vocal melody. I do always take out the drums because I do it a little bit different. I like doing my own drum pattern. I believe someone commented that you do not take out the drums, but I like taking out the drums because I like doing, you know, a little shit different, and it sounds beautiful. And before I do hop into the drums, I just want to let you know I did use my Lost Tapes drum kit. We do have mixer presets, 808s, kicks, hi-hats, snares, claps, all of the above, a drum MIDI and drum loops. Slap that shit on the kick, the 808, the kick again, the snare, and it sounds beautiful. So hi-hats, snare action, right? It just gives it that very like crunchy, just old fucking boomer feeling, the 808s. Follow the root notes, don't go crazy. Go crazy, but you know, follow the root notes. Kick literally just follows the same pattern, bro. The drums all together, we got I did mix it to my liking. I just balance the sounds, don't do anything crazy, cut out the lows. That's exactly always how I mix my shit. 808 is always the loudest because you want to start a riot when you're playing this type of shit, you know? I'd really appreciate if you guys could comment down below what should my next videos be about. Anyways, when you put this all together, you get